Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 11 from 7th class. The topic is linear pair, which is from exercise 4.5. So let us see what is the first assignment question. In the figure, name each linear pair. It is given relevant to the figure. So we have to identify how many linear pair are there in this figure. Okay, before going to that, what is a linear pair? Nothing but what? Two adjacent angles are said to be linear pairs. Two adjacent angles are said to be linear pairs if non-common arms are two opposite. This is one arm and this is one more arm, and these two are opposite to each other. So that angle 5 and 8 can form a linear pair. Like that, there exist total how many linear pairs we have to identify. So let us list out what are the linear pairs. It is angle 1 and angle 2 can form a linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 can form linear pair. Next 2 and 3. Angle 2 and angle 3. Next angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 3 and angle 4 can form a linear pair. Similarly 4 and 1 also. Angle 4 and angle 1. The next one, angle 5 and 6 and 6 and 7 also. Angle 5 and 6 and angle 6 and 7 can form a linear pair. Similarly 7 and 8 and 8 and 5. Angle 7 and angle 8. Next these two also can form a linear pair. Angle 8 and angle 5. Yes. Next we will take at this point. Angle 9 and 10 and 10 and 11 can form a linear pair. That is angle 9 and angle 10. Next angle 10 and angle 11. Next angle 11 and 12 can form a linear pair. The finally angle 12 and angle 9 also. Angle 12 and 9 also. So likewise, so totally 12 linear pairs can be formed by this figure. Let us move on to the second question. In the figure, AOC is a line, find x. So AOC is one line and there exist two angles. One is 2x degrees and one more is 70 degrees. From this we need to find the value of x. And basically these two angles can form a linear pair because these two rays, that is OA arm is one of the arm and OC, both are opposite to each other. So let's take from the definition of linear pair, the sum of these two angles must be 180 degrees. Let's take the 70 degrees plus 2x degrees will become 180 degrees. The addition of these two will become 180 degrees. From this solve the value of x. 2x degrees is equal to transpose that will become 180 minus 70 degrees. So 2x will become how much? That is exactly 110 degrees. So how many times it is? So x degrees is equal to 110 upon 2. So there exists how much? So totally 55 degrees. So that x is equal to 55 degrees. X is equal to 55 degrees. Next, we'll see the multiple choice question. Third one is a pair of adjacent angles where sum is called, what is that sum? It's a dash is called a linear pair. Okay, option A is given as 180 degrees, 90 degrees, 360 degrees and 9. None. So which option we can take it as sum of two adjacent angles must be how much? It is exactly 180 degrees. So then only we call it as what? A pair of adjacent angles where sum is must be 180 degrees. Then we call it as a linear pair. That is the definition of linear pair. So option A is the correct option. Next, let's go for the fourth multiple choice. That is angle A and angle B are linear pair of angles of if A is equal to 180 or not 8 degrees. Then find angle B is equal to how much? Okay. So angle A and angle B can form a linear pair. Out of these two angles, they have given angle A is equal to 108. Then find the value of angle B. From linear pair, the sum of two angles. The sum of two angles, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. As we know, angle A is equal to how much? That is 108 degrees plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. From this, solve the value of angle B. Angle B is equal to how much? 108 minus, that is 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. What is the value of angle B? It is nothing but what? Exactly 72 degrees. Angle B is equal to 72 degrees. Which option is right option? We can say option C is the right option. These are the today assignment questions. Thank you.